quick update. So it kind of got late last night, so but I did get the shelf, so it's in the house. But real quick, so I was just using the time in the morning because I think it's like, what is it like? I think oh, my phone's up here. So it's actually, yeah, it's 4 o'clock, so it's kind of like late in the evening in the next day. So but the bed's basically finished. I'm pretty sure I showed you that in the last clip. But what I end up gonna do is I have to wait a little bit because I want to order new LED strips because it's gonna connect all the way around to the bed and onto the desk. And as well as I'm actually gonna go to Lowe's and I'm gonna make a, because it's kind of wobbly because I slept on it last night and it's not bad, but every time I moved it wobbles. So I think it needs some little more reinforcement. So I'm gonna just make a diagonal beam, or not make one, but buy some wood to go from here all the way to the bed frame or staff itself, kind of thing. But right now I'm just gonna work on the shelf because kind of using my sister's room a little bit as a storage. So I want to get started on that and then start putting all that stuff over here. So yeah, it's gonna go right there, and then I'm just gonna kind of stack it up, organize it, and before she gets home, because she gets home around 6 and I have to go somewhere soon today. So let's try to get the stocks knocked out. Nice. So this is day 3. I don't know if you saw from the yesterday's night clip, but I got the rack kind of installed. But I measured this couch and it looks like I might move it here, but it's gonna take a lot of space. So I'm gonna have to take everything back off and try to move this a little bit more so I can actually fit this into there. So that's the game plan. And then after that, I'm gonna start doing measurements on this so I can finally have it stop. Like here, let's see if I can actually show you guys how much it wobbles like. Let's see if I put you guys up here and I try to move it. Oh, it's kind of hard. Well, it definitely shakes every time I sleep for day 2, sleeping up there. So I want to reinforce it. I definitely want to do the back ones first, and then maybe I might do the ones for the sides that go like this and like that. Sorry, it's kind of hard to explain, but you'll see. Well, if I do it, because I kind of want to do the back and then I might do the sides depending on what my homie says, because he's coming over to help too. my homie Vinny Vu. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's my goal for today. The LED strips didn't come in yet, so I got it on Amazon Prime. That's why my homie has Amazon Prime, so that's why I thought it would be here by today. But if it's not, it's fine. As long as I can at least get this done and this done today, it's a huge win, because I can finally start that wiring horribleness. So yeah, so back to the time list. This is SG day 3, and see how far I get, because yesterday I had a lot of errands to run. So yep. Alright, it's like day 5. This is so I don't know if you saw, but I recorded us moving the bunk bed or loft bed with the mattress out, so we can have space to do the reinforcement brackets, so that it doesn't
Oh hell no!
wobble, you know. So I got the wood from Lowe's. It actually came white, so it's kind of nice. So at least it was somewhat matched, but it's not the same exact white as this one. But same as before, racing, got the bolts, and let's do this. No idea what I'm doing. So yeah. Alright, so sorry I didn't really get an introduction for day 6, but this is day 6. So, you know, one of those days where you're just everywhere? That's good days with me, because I'm literally everywhere today. So I just got back from Lowe's and I just got some paint. I'm pretty sure you guys saw earlier I was chipping around the sides because it kind of stick out too much. I'm pretty sure, I think you saw from the time lapse, I kind of put it like the wrong way, where the white sits out and then in the inside you'll see like this. So I flipped it and I liked it the other way where it all just blends in white. So after I did some, you know, chipping, so it kind of fits nicely. I actually bought, oh wait, why did I point at the speaker? Bought some paint from Lowe's. I was buying some better bulbs so it's not yellow in my room. So I just bought this. It's like ultra white, that's what it says. So, and then I had some drop cloth or something in the old brush I have. So yeah, just gonna paint it and then just gonna do another time lapse of that. And I have another thing that I have, man, it's just projects on projects today. But I want to get this thing started so I can let it dry and then work on the other project I have. So ready? Let's go. Alright, so back in my room. It's kind of messy. So the next project I actually have is changing. It's kind of like yellow. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but this is yellow. So I actually got, these are like pure white LEDs. So I'm gonna change these. Also, I have these frames for my black paint posters. But these ones kind of stick out weird, like they're 12 by 16 and a half. So I'm gonna check out the frame, measure this, do the same with the other 3 ones, and then cut it to size and put it to the frame and see how it looks. These are on Amazon for like 20 bucks for 3. Pretty good deal. But yeah, first off, let me clean this up because yeah, it's kind of getting crazy. So I'll probably vacuum last because I don't know if when I put these after finishing painting, it's going to be chipping a little bit on the paint, which is fine. So I do want to catch it all at once, so I'll probably clean up a little bit. Alright, so we got some breathing room, cleaned it up a little bit. So let me show you around the bed. So usually the frame's right here. I added a little support because this part, I don't know if you can see if it focuses. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's actually cracked under there. So I need to go around and double check these bolts because I think this one's loose again already. So I'm gonna time that. And then you can also see, you can hear it creaking. You see the shadows moving? Just one last time before it creaks. And after the supports, it's going to be pretty rock solid. Now, really excited for these frames though. So, let me get started on that too.